Hi, I'm Subha and I'm making this quick video about a recent Helium 10 promo that is going on. For the next 2 days, 5 hours and 21 minutes, you can get 35% off on their platinum plan. You can see here the timer is already running. The good thing is this reduced pricing will continue to renew every single month. For the next 6 months, you will get Helium 10 Platinum for $83.85 per month instead of $129 per month. The link is in the description below. Once you are on this page, you can simply click on this button and it will take you to this checkout page. Here you can see $83.85 per month instead of $129, and this discounted price will continue to renew. You will have access to black box, X-ray, Cerebro and magnet tool, and you will also have access to Amazon to TikTok with same streamlined operations. This was a quick video from me. The link is in the description below. There are still 2 days and 5 hours plus 20 minutes to go. During this time you can get this 35% off. This is not a regular discount. I think this is one of the biggest discount Helium 10 ever offered. For most of the time they offer 20% off, sometimes 30% off, but this time they are offering 35% off for the next 6 months every single month. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.